All right, morning everyone.
Morning.
GBPJPY.
Oh, the Nikkei is going back up. Maybe me shorting pound yen was a bad idea. Morning, Octo.
Morning, yeah. I'm not ready in sync yet, so I was just considering going long on pound yen, but it needs to drop a few more pips.
Have you seen the chart I just posted?
EURAUD.
Yeah.
But yeah, there is maybe some retracement happening. That may kinda kills my idea. Plus we are over the VWAP. But I'm a very, very tiny size, so whatever.
You're better at this than me, so don't worry about it.
Dollar.
So Chinese non-manufacturing PMI looks like 54.3. That would be in line with expectations and unchanged versus April. The composite PMI looks to have nudged down in May, 53.3 down from 53.4. Still haven't seen the manufacturing PMI print. We're expecting 49.9. That would be down from 50.1.
AUD/USD.
Sorry. Well, I kinda agree with you on the pullback idea, but I cannot find a level.
Breaking news. Again, I repeat, we got breaking news coming up right now.
Yay, I'm in profit. Still above the VWAP though.
GBPJPY.
With no size.
USD/JPY.
Oh, fuck you. And no reversal. Sorry, my voice was kinda disconnected.
SPX.
That's okay.
that a very bad reversal? Is a very bad reversal to the upside, or a very nice one to the downside?
That's the question.
That's the $100 million question.
Also at the top of the hour, the Bank of Korea rate decision and policy statement due for release. Most expect the Bank of Korea to leave their benchmark rate unchanged. According to a Bloomberg survey, 24 of the 25 economists expect no change from 1.75% at the Bank of Korea. One economist did predict a cut to 1.5%.
So, are we taking that on, or are we taking that on? Why there is no sound?
Manufacturing PMI being reported 49.4 here as well. Be aware, it looks like manufacturing PMI might be out early as well. We're hearing 49.4 for Chinese manufacturing PMI.
Yeah, no shit. Everything is early today. They released the PMI of Japan also like 26 minutes, 25 minutes before the opening. This is, normally they don't do that. It's something only the US the US does.
Alrighty.
Just to repeat that, here in Chinese manufacturing PMI 49.4 looks like it's been released a few minutes early. 49.4 versus 49.9 expected and 50.1 prior.
Hang Seng is still closed.
USD SGD.
The South Korean Central Bank leaves their base rate unchanged as expected at 1.75%. One minute till the official release of Chinese PMI data. As we said, these numbers haven't been confirmed across all the news outlets. As we understand it though, manufacturing PMI was 49.4 versus 49.9 expected. Non-manufacturing PMI was 54.3 as expected. We'll still do the official release at the top of the hour just to confirm the numbers are as they're being reported.
So, we doing that or we doing that?
10 seconds.
Maybe I'm trailing. Nikkei is going back up.
USD
And it is
SGD.
indeed 49.4 for Chinese manufacturing PMI, 49.4 versus 49.9 expected.
Dollar. Gold.
Oh, there is some support on the Nikkei. The Nikkei actually stopped right there. But it's just a middle line. It's not really support. Oh shit. That was a bit too big. Oh, never mind. Yeah, I could go back from here. But the Nikkei just hit the resistance again. Looks like it's holding. And the dollar is going down. Still fighting.
We have just posted our Chinese news recap up to the board ahead of the China Open. A few stories worth noting. US Vice President Pence was quoted towards the end of the Wall Street session saying they can more than double tariffs on China if necessary. Also overnight, China making the next move in the trade war. According to reports, they've halted US soybean purchases. China has also warned the US they're playing with fire on Taiwan. This ahead of a defense meeting. Story off the Bloomberg website says trade tensions are meaning a Chinese giant is rethinking US deals. One of China's most acquisitive companies is easing up on investment in the US, a sign the escalating trade fight is dampening what has been a major source of M&A activity over the past 5 years. Fosun International is looking to limit investments in US biotech to mostly small stakeholdings in an effort to avoid growing American regulatory scrutiny. This according to a chief representative of the company. Off the Reuters website, the takeover of the little-known Baosheng Bank is casting doubt over other small Chinese banks. US President Trump also travelling to the UK soon. Story off the Bloomberg website says he's to discuss Huawei as the US is urging a ban from UK 5G networks.
The pivot looks like a good, the S2 looks like a good target. Actually, it's a little bit lower. Yeah, it's actually lower. That's a lot lower.
Say
In just over 4 minutes, the
EUR
Bank
USD.
of Japan due to reveal their bond purchase size for the 5 to 10 year maturity range, 10 to 25 year range, and the 25 plus year range. There was a story out earlier this week suggesting the BOJ could cut purchases in the 10 to 25 year range, data due in just under 4 minutes.
CADJPY. AUD
Order filled.
GBPJPY. Nick
Let's
Key.
see if it's holding. It looks like it doesn't.
USDJPY.
I won't let go till you say so. There isn't anything I wouldn't do. Wanna make sure that you understand. You're the one who gives my life color. There is no one other. With your hand in mine, let me go by your side. Let me go by your side.
It's gonna fail.
In your sunlight, I wanna wake up with you by my side. Without you, there is no tomorrow. We could be in for the best ride. Want this to last for the rest of our lives. Without you,
S&P is gonna pull back. There we go.
The PBOC said to be gauging demand for 7, 14, 28 and 63 day reverse repos.
where you came from.
I'm gonna allow a little bit more drawdown. We just mix the top again.
Everything about you is so beautiful. I am all yours if you let me stay. You're the one.
Order filled.
My color. There is no another. With your hand in mine, let me go by your.
I guess not.
Let me go by your side. I wanna stay in your sunlight. I wanna wake up with you by my side. Without you, there is no tomorrow. We could be in for the best ride. Want this to last for the rest of our lives. Without you, there is no tomorrow.
Order filled.
AUDJPY. USDJPY. GBPJPY.
Moment of truth.
The Bank of Japan has kept their 5 to 10 year JGPs at 480 billion, keeps 25 plus years at 40 billion, also keeps 10 to 25 billion at 160 billion yen. PBOC skipping reverse repos today as well. Just repeat that, BOJ keeps their 5 to 10 year JGB purchases at 480 billion yen, keeps 25 year plus JGB buys at 40 billion, and the 10 to 25 Here JGBPY is at 160 billion yen. Chinese central bank to skip open market operations today.
GBPJPY.
Nah, doesn't go. But I'm gonna allow a little bit more.
Back to the PBOC, that's a net injection for the week of 430 billion won.
GBPJPY. AUD/USD.
Tell me if I got it wrong, but you don't wanna be alone. Spend the evening by yourself, but you'll miss me when it's getting late. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let me. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours.
Yeah, Nikkei is going back up. Like you said, Octo, it's gonna pull back.
If you let go,
I hope so, but not for you.
if you let go.
This is not major support, but it seems to hold. Tested it twice now.
Order filled.
Go ahead and tell your friends. Talk it out, but it won't end. You are never true to heart. You need me when it's getting dark. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let me. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let go. If you let go. If you let go. If you let go.
Order filled.
Okay, it's now or never. Dollar is going down as well, so that's not a good place to be. Yeah, Nikkei is going up, approaching the VWAP. Let's see if it's
PBOC
hold.
sets the 1 midpoint 6 spot 8992 against the dollar. PBOC sets the 1 midpoint 6 spot
Holy shit, the
8992
Hang
against the
Seng
dollar.
got gapped down
Versus yesterday's
bad.
close at 6 spot 9013.
Yeah, it's gonna break out.
Order filled.
Alright, the hangs ain't gonna help now. Alright, show's over. Look at that. For real? What's OCN doing anyway? Oh, it's much higher already. But it didn't make a higher high. Pound yen already did. Maybe this is still going as planned. But now I'm hedged already.
I'm thinking louder than my brain can take. Have to say something, but words fade away. I want a picture of all of my mistakes, posted on the wall right in front of me. If I could get my feelings straight, my reflection wouldn't be so blurry. If I could see the whole dim landscape, then I'd know what to say to you.
EURAUD.
What's your target on pound yen anyway?
138.10.
Okay.
Using your method of the lines across the tops.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
Taking the steepest one from back on the 30th. Yeah, halfway through the session. The high. Do you want a screenshot? Have you got it?
Doesn't look that far, no.
The Hong Kong Hang Seng Index set to open down spot 4%.
tension could disappear. I'll give it a shot, a whisper in your ear. At least for a moment you would be near. If I could get my feelings straight, my
Pound Aussie is dropping too.
be so blurry.
That's gonna push the pound up.
See the whole dim lit
There she goes. Oh, that's moving quickly.
say to you, I'm moving in 'cause I need connection with you. Give you a sign, my communication's wordless.
Well, was worth a try.
Moving in 'cause I need connection with you. Give you a sign, my communication's
Got a lot of slippage though. Just see that.
I'm moving in 'cause I need connection with you. Give you a sign, my communication's wordless. Give you a sign, my communication's wordless.
Feeling like shorting it again. Even it made a higher high, makes no sense.
I got that feeling that I've got it all wrong. So, yeah, you might be right.
Maybe I'm wrong. It's back at the pullback point, so it's now or never for the larger time frames. Could also retest. Could also retest S1. Or go all the way up, yeah, to almost your target. Actually, there is a horizontal level about 0.84. If you see ASEAN, it's pretty clear where it's heading. The S&P is already going back up, but the rest, the Nikkei is kind of struggling. Or maybe just take some time.
The Chinese Shanghai Composite set to open down spot 1%. Equity news here. Samsung Biologics says they've signed a contract manufacturing deal worth $31 million with Cytodin. Samsung Biologics says the size of the order could grow to $240 million or possibly more. We are just under 3 minutes as well from the bottom of the hour, and Australian private sector credit. Month on month for April, looking for spot 3% against the prior spot 3%. Australian private sector credit year on year for April, looking for 3.8% against the prior of 3.9%.
With me till the sun goes down. Being with you is so easy. Hey, if you want, honey, you can stick around. I don't know what it is about you, but you look so fine, riding shotgun in my car. Top down when driving on the highway. The wind in our hair makes us look like movie stars. And you make me sing, yeah. Ooh, you make me sing, yeah. Oh, you make me sing, yeah. Ooh, you make me sing, yeah. Come on. I just wanna be close to your body, close to your body, close to your body. Oh, I just wanna be close to your body. Give me some sugar, honey, close to your body. Oh, I just wanna be. Oh, I just wanna be. Hey, what you say? Wanna stay in a hotel? Champagne and room service all night. Girl, I know this ain't no plaza, but I think we'll be alright. Ooh, come on.
1 minute till Australian private sector credit, looking for spot 3% month on month and 3.8% year on year.
Order filled.
When I'm with you, I have the time of my life. Oh, you make me sing, yeah. Ooh, you make me sing, yeah. Come on. Oh, you make me sing, yeah. Ooh, you make me sing, yeah. I just wanna be close to your body, close to your body, close to your body. Oh, I just wanna be close to your body. Give me some sugar, honey, close to your body. Oh, I just wanna be.
10 seconds.
Oh, I just wanna be.
Australian downturn. No data, huh?
Spot 2% month on month, 3.7% year on year for Australian private sector credit.
What about a late night? Are you really leaving me for someone else? I want to let you know. You can call my name and I'll come running.
Just to run you through that again, Australian private sector credit month on month for April comes in at spot 2% versus spot 3% expected. Australian private sector credit year on year comes in at 3.7% versus 3.8% expected.
Back to you.
The Chinese yuan opens trade at 6.9071 versus the US dollar. PBOC set the midpoint 6.8992. Yuan opens up at 6.9071. The former Chinese central bank chief Dai Zhanglong says he expects no major trade breakthrough at the anticipated meeting between Chinese and US leaders in Japan at the end of June. That's the ex-Chinese central bank chief Dai Zhanglong says he expects no major trade breakthrough at the anticipated meeting between China and US leaders. Some further equity news here out of Australia. The CEO of Melco says the talks with Crown began after Wynn walked away. Melco also interested in bringing the stake in Crown beyond 20%.
EURAUD AUD-USD
Huh.
GBPAUD
The S&P is not really back down. So the Nikkei is just overreacting.
AUD-USD EURAUD
Nice reversal. I'm done here, I'm hedged already, so whatever. But it looks pretty nice on the 30 minute.
It's okay, you don't have to make me feel better.
Oh, well, I have to make a decision too, I'm hedged already. I also took the leap of faith and shorting above VWAP. And that's just turned out to be a bad idea. There we go. Right at the resistance line now. It's the fourth time we're testing it.
Heads up to all listeners, we are just going to have to go off air for 2 to 3 minutes. Got to restart one of our machines. Apologies for any inconvenience. Audio will be off air for the next 2 to 3 minutes. We'll give you a heads up once it's back on.
Well, the S&P is still going up. But, I don't know. I let it play out. Could use another coffee, but my cat is refusing to get off my lap.
2 sugars, please.
Looks like the Euro Aussie trade is also not gonna work out. Looks like it's breaking out now. The guy already made a higher high, so this is just a matter of the dollar now. Come on, it's not that hard. Nika is way higher already. Don't know why pound yen not moving. Ah, the dollar is going back up. One 3.810, there we come. Oh, what depressing music. Ah, it should break out now. The Nika is already a lot higher.
I'll believe it when I see it.
Will do. There she goes.
Okay, desk now back up and running. Apologies for the slight brief outage there. The Bank of Korea are on the wires here. Kept rates on hold earlier this morning. Bank of Korea says exports to gradually recover, consumption to continue to grow. The Bank of Korea says trade risks have risen and add uncertainties to Korea. Rating agency Moody's also keeps the outlook on Singapore Bank stable despite slowing GDP growth. And the former Chinese central bank chief Dai Jianglong says current yuan depreciation is due to the market's short-term reaction to the US-China trade war.
Yeah, well, this was a buy
setup. The finance
anyway.
minister says they may post a current account deficit in April, mainly due to stock dividend payments.
got to be honest, I bailed at 1 to 1, so yeah, I'm not waiting for it to go to 138.10.
Well, the dollar doesn't really move. Don't know why that is. Did you see the Mexican pesos?
Seriously, you got to stop making up pairs.
Trump, also pre-market. What a dick, actually. Anyway, Trump imposed 5% tariff on everything from Mexico.
No way.
That shake the tree a little bit.
Okay, so he's on the offensive with China, and in the same breath, he's now sticking tariffs on Mexico. Is this to pay for the wall, or is there any reasoning behind it?
Nah, it's just Trump being Trump.
Did he give any justification for it?
Yeah, what he usually does, you know. America first, blah blah bullshit.
At this rate, everybody's going to turn to Russia.
Yeah, it's just a matter of time, but I don't think he dares them. Ah shit, the dollar is going down.
That made a nice move, didn't it?
Yeah, probably the spread was the same size as the move, so whatever.
Do you often trade that pair?
No, never. But while pound yen is bitching around, let's have a look. I don't think I traded because it doesn't move in the Asia session. Let's just have a look. And the spread is probably terrible. Actually, it never really moves. Yeah, it just never moves in the Asia session. Oh, well, it kinda does, but I guess the spread is too low.
Okay, let's find something else. I'll keep an eye on pound yen to see if it comes back. But I need something else.
Yeah, let's find something else. That's a good idea. Oh, damn, I'm tired. Dollar is going down, so US yen is a bad idea. And we are already yen exposed.
We are now just 10 minutes away
US
from
Sing
the
looks
top of the hour
interesting.
and
Let's just
data
have a
from
look.
Singapore. Bank loans and advances year on year for April, prior reading 2.2%. Money supply M1 year on year for April, prior reading -1.9%, and money supply M2 year on year for April, prior reading of 4.3%.
Yeah, but it made a higher high.
The former Chinese ambassador to the United States, Wen Zong, says he hopes the US does not see China as a scapegoat for its domestic problems.
It looks bullish to me, to be honest. Not so sure.
That's all I'm saying.
It looks very bullish.
Cable bounce off my view up. I don't know if it's the same on your chart. It's only 2.5 pips above on one.
On what?
Pound US dollar cable.
Cable. Oh, US thing is 70 pips away from the 2018 high. Cable. Where is it here? What's your idea about it?
Just a VWAP I've got. It crossed above it, cleared it by a candle, came back, wicked it, and now it looks like we're moving up and away from it. But maybe I'm wrong. And maybe the VWAP I'm using is in the wrong place compared to yours.
Well, it looks kinda bullish. R1 looks like it's on the table. And there's massive rejection yesterday. It went hard down. Oh, what does my euro trade anyway? If cable goes up like this looks not good for the euro. Oh, it's still good, but it's not as good as... Oh, come on. Seriously? 5 pips from the take profit.
That's a bit rude.
Yeah, it is. Let's just take profit one anyway. Okay, I made a signal up actually 2 days ago. Somebody asked me on live stream about euro dollar, and I just looked at it. Oh, okay, that looks like a sell, so I sold it. And I have a sell limit. About 33 pips up. So I'll just stop out one of them in case it goes up. Oh, seriously, Hong Kong dollar. Oh, come on.
USD ZAR.
In just under 3 minutes, we get data from Singapore bank loans and advances year on year for April. Prior reading 2.2%, money supply M1, prior reading -1.9, and money supply M2, prior reading of 4.3.
Spread is terrible on the South African run. Oh no, man. Actually, the spread on Pepperstone is better.
Tell me you love me. Don't let go. Tell me a secret. Let me know. We got up and we saw the horizon. With a smile begin.
See my Hong Kong dollar chart. This is so depressing.
Live stream or
No, in the trading room. Just made a photo. Just saw it.
I don't really understand it. Okay.
Price went like 1 pip to the take profit and turned right around. Actually, it went there twice.
I will never ask you to give up things.
That is rude. That's
EUR
less than a
USD.
millimeter on the chart.
USD SGD.
Is you being greedy again?
No, this is actually an early exit because I need to get off this trade. This is getting so expensive on the swap charges. The positions are all green, but I'm still in a massive loss because of the swaps.
There's something that you give me and I can't get enough. Ooh, yeah. Don't tell me I don't stand a chance. Ooh, yeah. For you I'll be a different man. Ooh, yeah. This is where I'm meant to be. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. So I wanna start an illusion with you. Yeah, I wanna start an illusion with you.
Let's see if the dollar makes it over the reverb. That's gonna be bad for the pound. I'm gonna get me a coffee.
Alright.
Gold.
You show me the ropes, I hold you tightly. Never let you go or let you down. There's nothing but you, baby, and
Dollar.
I can't get enough. There's something that you give me and I can't get enough. Ooh, yeah. Don't tell me I don't stand a chance, 'cause ooh, yeah. For you I'll be a different man. Ooh, yeah. This is where I'm meant to be. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. 'Cause I wanna start a revolution with you. Yeah, I'm gonna start
a couple 100 miles away, denying that something has changed. You're blaming me too complicated, but I will never stay the same. So I will drive and drive and drive and drive, baby, just so I can make it through the night. Yeah, I will drive and drive and drive and drive, so we can try to make it simple, try to talk about what's on our mind.
USDSGD.
What's on our minds? Too much money spent on fuel, beating heartache on the move. Sometimes I just wish we knew, hey, how to call up without losing. But I drive and drive and drive and drive, baby, just so I can make it through the night. Yeah, I will drive and drive and drive and drive, so we can try to make it simple, try to talk about what's on our mind.
Data out of Singapore, bank loans and advances year on year 1.4%, money supply M1 down spot 7, money supply M2 up 5.2% year on year.
What's on our minds? Talk about what's on our minds, yeah. Talk about what's on our minds, yeah. Talk about what's on our minds.
USDSGD. dollar, USD SGD.
Time to get my money back. Oh, 600 pip is enough for this time of day.
Just 600.
Yeah, slow day today. South African rents. Just bought the pullback.
How are you finding trading that? You seem to have really taken to it recently.
What do you mean?
Just the size of the spread just scares me a bit. Yeah, it's just something I need to get over. But
Oh yeah,
what
sure.
frame are you trading?
There's just no way you're trading that on the on a 3-minute chart. So what I do is I look mostly at the 1 hour and 4 hour, and then I just try some nice pullbacks on the 15 minutes, and that's it. I'm not really like chainsawing. It's just hit it and it pulls back. What I noticed it, if it starts moving, well, today it starts moving very early, so this could be wrong. That's why I'm gonna exit in a minute. But what I noticed, generally speaking, if it starts to move, it's gonna stick to that direction basically all day. So everything I do is just buying every dip if it goes up. And there's very, very rare occasions where this is actually not working.
Okay, makes sense.
Just open a 30-minute chart or 1 hour chart. Yeah, 1 hour chart may be better, and add the reverb to it. I know it makes no sense, just to see what I mean. And then you just scroll through the paths, and you're gonna see it starts to move. I mean, it makes a significant move, and then it's gonna stay in that direction for the rest of the day. There are just very, very rare occasions where this is actually not happening. But this is Asia session, so this could be just because of Trump was using Twitter. So that's why I'm gonna exit that now. But usually I will just hold on to it, and if there's another dip, I'm just gonna buy it.
Yeah, okay.
Dollar.
I'll keep the chart on screen.
So there's very, very little technicals involved. It's just, yeah, you see, okay, there's no major support, no major resistance, so just hit it. And I have I'm long biased anyway, because I have a long-term position on it as well. With the target about $1.50 up, and this is pretty far.
You made my day, you made my day, you made my day, oh, day. You made my day, you made my day,
Come on. I need the bid line to move, not the ask line. Oh, Octo use MetaTrader. How can I move take profit or stop loss line and change my mind without actually moving it? I mean, the moment you grabbed it with the mouse, how can I undo that?
What do you mean? So you dragged it up?
Yeah, and then I changed my mind. How can I undo the dragging?
I know you can Control Z to undo deleted charts, but otherwise you just got to drag it back.
This is so annoying. In C-Trade I just press escape and then it's just gonna drop it and not make any change to the trade. I tried everything, like moving the mouse out of the window or what, everything, every possible scenario, but it doesn't really do it.
All I do is if I've got my mouse left button held down, I'm dragging the take profit and I change my mind, I then right click at the same time, it drops it back to where it was.
Oh, right. Let's just try that. Okay, now I have the line with the mouse. But if I do right click, it places the order anyway.
So you've got an order placed, you've got your take profit there, you start dragging it and then think to yourself, oh shit, I didn't want to move this. So with the left button still held down, you press the right at the same time, and it drops the take profit back in place where it was. But that's only if you're kind of held down on the take profit, moving it at the time and then think, shit, I didn't mean to start dragging that.
Maybe this is because of share mouse. Let me just open the MetaTrader here.
What it does is opens up the right click menu and just kind of...
Yeah, it did, but it also placed the order. Alright.
Don't go experimenting with losing money.
It opens the context, but it places the order anyway.
Okay, I'm not sure what you're doing there. It's, I guess when I'm talking about it, I mean that the take profit is already up the air. So I'm adjusting an existing take profit, not setting it for the first time.
Now I'm adjusting one. It's still placing the order. How do you do that? I mean, it does exactly like you said. It opens the context menu, but it drops the order first.
Definitely had both buttons held down at the same time.
Now I'm holding down the button. I mean, you can see I can move the order. I keep holding the button and then I press the right button. It drops the order first and then it opens the context.
GBPJPY.
Maybe I have an old version? But it hasn't been updated in 10 years, so I doubt that. I use MT5, right?
Dollar.
The former Chinese central bank chief said he believes there will be good news from the China-US trade talks in Japan. However, the process will be a hard one.
Okay, what I'm doing is left button, drag, right button click, so the the menu comes up and then letting go of the left button.
Yeah, but the second I press the right button, while holding the left one, it drops the order and opens the context.
Then I've failed you.
Yeah, maybe this works only in MT5.
USD/JPY.
So, what about pound yen? This is starting to get boring. I sold a few on the top, but not at the S1. Moved the average a little bit up, but it's still below VWAP. Let's see if then... Oh, the S&P is back at the VWAP.
EUR/USD. USD/JPY.
Press conference with the Bank of Korea Governor Lee has now begun. The former Chinese central bank chief says he does not rule out bigger countermeasures in the trade war.
Where is everybody anyway?
Last day of the month, so having a day off.
Is the Hang Seng pulling back?
CAD/JPY.
Close the gap. That went fast.
SPX.
Oh yeah, I wanted to do something quick. Since this is going nowhere anyway.
GBPJPY.
Oh, the S&P is going down. West Point yen, yeah. Better pay attention to that one. Nikkei is still above. Looks like fake. Dollar is going down, Nikkei is above, but it looks like it's gonna go. I wait until it's below. It's quite high.
USD SGD.
Bank of Korea governor
AUDJPY.
says the decision to leave rates unchanged was not unanimous.
Oh, should I risk it? Yeah, I will risk it.
The Bank of Korea governor confirms one member did call for a cut.
EURUSD.
All the yen pairs just went below.
And did you ever know somebody who slipped away and left the city? I'm just here to tell my story.
AUDJPY.
Kinda afraid this is gonna be a fake because the Nikkei is still above.
EURUSD.
If my tale sounds just like your girl,
USD SGD.
before you know,
Yeah, Aussie yen is already back up.
no trace, no note, you'll never see her. You ask her what you did and how to fix it. You try to find a way to get forgiveness. The search for pain is closer than addiction. So I'm just here to tell you why. Why? It is what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is, what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is, what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is. Why?
Yeah, I scaled in a little bit on the top, so then the highest position is +7 already. So if it drops like 100 pips, I'm gonna be break even.
You just have to stand and face it.
Comments here from the Mexican president following Trump's tariff decision. Mexican president says he does not want a confrontation with the United States.
Oh, really?
Just fake it till you make it.
Let's see if the Mexican president can move the markets like Trump does.
At least until the fog is clearer. You ask her what you did and how to fix it. You try to find a way and get forgiveness. The search for pain is closer than addiction. So I'm just here to tell you why. It is what it is. Why?
structure is still holding. Are you still in the trade? Because we're below already.
No, closed out quite a while ago. Lucky, really.
SPX.
So, is this happening or is this happening? It's starting to get boring.
AUDJPY.
The Nikkei doesn't break below. It's kind of dangerous selling it now. If the Nikkei bounces off the VWAP, I'm gonna have a double loss.
China has a plan ready to curb rare earth sales to the United States if it is needed.
Ah, fuck it.
Be aware reports suggesting China has a plan ready to curb rare earth sales to the United States if needed.
Dollar. Gold.
Wow, that was slow. Okay, there's us too.
Order filled.
Yay.
EURUSD. GBPAUD.
Thank you, volatility.
Bit more colour on this China story. Beijing has readied a plan to restrict the exports of rare earths to the US if needed. This according to people familiar with the matter.
EURAUD. AUDUSD. GBPAUD.
How much did I lose on that one? Oh, I still in loss. Never mind. I have a feeling it's gonna make my target. 137534-ish. Oh yeah, the Nikkei just broke below.
Wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cotton is out to be.
Order filled.
I'm wondering what you got for me.
Order filled.
It's out to be my lady only. I asked you for the time. You got the damn right.
What?
Everything you do gives me butterflies.
EURUSD.
I asked you for the time. You got the damn right. got for me? Egyptian cotton, it's out to be. I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cotton, it's out to be.
Gold.
Oh, the dollar is dropping pretty strong. I'm gonna exit this trades.
Damn right. Everything you do gives me butterflies. I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cotton, it's out to be. I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cotton, it's out to be.
The Mexican president says he wants to have peace with US President Trump.
Yeah, right.
GBPJPY.
Order filled.
AUD. EUR/USD.
Maybe not.
Order filled.
What's with my Google Drive?
USD/SGD. USD/SGD. EUR/USD.
I heard you said you feel lonely. Nothing is right with that. Picking up pieces of something that doesn't matter. You
right here. I'll wait, you know I'll wait. I'll wait, you know I'll wait.
EURUSD.
So are you happy now? Things just got so crazy from a simple maybe. It was a long way down. I just feel so heavy without you. Everything we were was just so pretty, pretty enough to almost make me blind. Still denying everything you told me. I'll repeat it in my mind. All our memories goes on and on, flashing up like disco lights on and on. The dance floor where I met you, I danced all alone. Nothing left to prove, yeah, I'm dancing till my feet can feel the ground. Wishing I still dance with you. I feel so lonely now, walking through the cold streets where you used to hold me. You know it's been a while ever since I saw you. Oh baby, everything we were was just so pretty, pretty enough to almost make me blind. Still denying everything you told me. I'll repeat it in my mind. All our memories goes on and on, flashing up like disco lights on and on. The dance floor where I met you, I danced all alone. Nothing left to prove, yeah, I'm dancing till my feet can
EURUSD.
feel the ground. Wishing I still dance with you.
SPX.
to dance with you. I wanted to dance until my feet can feel the ground.
dollar,
Tonight we will fight for the right to stay alive, 'cause you know we live for the music. We are breathing love. And tonight we will fight for the rhythm of our life, and we'll always keep on dancing. We are breathing love. We're fighting for love tonight. We're fighting for love tonight. We're fighting for love tonight. Tonight we will fight for the right to stay alive, 'cause you know we live for the music. We are breathing love. And tonight we will fight for the rhythm of our life, and we'll always keep on dancing. We are breathing love. We're fighting for love tonight. We're fighting for love. We're fighting for love tonight. We're fighting for love tonight. We're fighting for love. Tonight we will fight for the right to stay alive, 'cause you know we live for the music. We are breathing love. Tonight we will fight for the rhythm of our life, and we'll always keep on dancing. We are breathing love. We're fighting for love tonight. We're fighting for love. We're fighting for love tonight. On the rhythm of love. We're fighting for love tonight. On the rhythm of love. We're fighting for love tonight. Strawberry lips burning on my skin, craving for you. I tell myself that the bubblegum wrapper is the sin. A tongue so sweet it can knock me out. What can I do? It tastes so good, every word you say is melting in my mouth. But I
Looks like pound yen is rolling over.
flavor.
The Bank of Japan has offered to lend 1 trillion yen worth of JGBs
But
on a spot basis.
then the guy's back positive.
dollar,
Eyes on the prize like an animal. I want you to. A body like yours on a sugar rush. Need no beauty call. I never thought that one can be something so good. A treat complete with a beautiful smile is all I need. But I'm not gonna say that's my flavor. I'll put you away safe for later. You're my
AUDJPY,
You're my Candyland.
Order filled. Order filled. Order pending. Order filled.
EURUSD, AUDJPY,
Order filled. Order pending.
dollar,
buying ASEAN. But I'm not so sure this is gonna work.
Order pending.
Okay.
Order cancelled. Order pending.
Selling US thing was maybe not a good idea, the dollar going back up. Yeah, I'm gonna close that one.
Order filled. Order cancelled. Order filled.
Scaling up. Damn, that would have worked well. Ah, never mind. I'll exit off.
Order filled.
1.5, that's good enough.
Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
CADJPY.
Between concrete walls, there's a place for us where we could go, where we could be alone. Between city lights, we don't have to hide. I wanna go, do you wanna follow? There's something in the air, I can't explain it, but it's there. Ain't nobody gonna find us in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more, it shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you It shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me. Do you wanna follow?
AUDJPY.
Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow? Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me. Do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow?
Okay, back in a few minutes.
Alright.
Hey girl, you look a little unsure. I see you hiding in the light, on the edge of the dance floor, where the neon's burning bright. We should be dancing now, dance with me, it's alright. We should be dancing now.
Story here in the Financial Times says Huawei has repatriated US workers from its China base. Huawei has ordered employees to cancel technical meetings with US contacts and repatriated Americans working at its Shenzhen headquarters as tensions rise between the Chinese telecom group and the US government. We'll put the full story up on the board.
AUDJPY.
Baby,
GBPJPY.
In your eyes, I saw diamonds and skies. And I did all for you, 'cause you wanted me to. In your eyes, I saw diamonds and skies.
AUDJPY.
And I did all for you, 'cause you wanted me to.
Okay, I'm back.
Thinking of shorting pound yen again. But it's kinda rejective. And it looks like it's gonna roll over. Just need something to push it.
Eyes, I saw diamonds and skies.
Okay.
And I did all for you.
Or we just do something else. Like not exiting US Sing short. Look at that bitch.
I saw diamonds and skies.
Yep, I missed that one.
Yeah, I actually was short and I saw, oh, the dollar is going over the reverb. So I exited with a tiny loss.
AUDJPY.
Eyes, I saw diamonds and skies. And I did all for you, 'cause you wanted me to.
wondering what you got for me. Egyptian pattern is hard to beat, my lady only. I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian pattern is hard to beat, my lady only. I asked you for the time. You got the damn right. Everything you do gives me butterflies. I asked you for the time. You got the damn right. And everything you do gives me butterflies. I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian pattern is hard to beat, my lady only. I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian pattern is hard to beat, my lady only.
Should I do it? Let's do it.
Order filled. Order filled.
I asked you for the time. You got the damn right.
Maybe a bad idea.
Everything you do gives me butterflies. I asked you for the time. You got the damn right. And everything you do gives me butterflies.
Come on, break it already. There we go.
Order filled.
The dollar holding. That's gonna make this a bit more difficult.
Order filled.
Didn't work. Ja, den Nicker holding. Letting.
AUDJPY.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Dollar.
Order filled. Order filled.
AUDJPY. Dollar.
ASEAN, oh, back at the Vega. It's just dollar movement anyway.
Okay, I got nothing. I need to give it 10 minutes and come back to the screen, I think.
Right.
Time for a cigarette. Well, I'm still going to be here, but you don't get rid of me that easy.
Okay, that's fine. That's a good promise.
It's just been 10 minutes now going through each chart. And no, I need to let things unfold a bit.
Yeah, I guess someone is right. We're gonna be consolidation. I'm just making another take on the pound yen, just to get my 0.06% loss back, which is double now.
Yeah, I keep looking at it, hoping that it goes down for you.
AUDUSD.
It's fighting hard. The Nikkei doesn't want to go down. Maybe I hedge it again. This was a bad idea. When the dollar goes down, this is gonna go back up. There's just no volume. the Nikkei doesn't want to go down. Made a tiny bit of a lower low, but that's not enough. Dollar doesn't look better either. Dollar going down.
Reboot, I'm cold red, my service automated like
Yeah, I'm gonna hedge it again.
they
Spread is widening up.
got you distracted.
And the S&P is going back up.
Careful, don't pull the cord on me. No time to stay around. Keep walking till you get out of my face. Regrets, restricted access. I'm just a flight to get up in your
Oh, this is a pretty good location.
discharging. I can't waste my time with someone slowing me down, 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 down. So high, I'm floating.
Gold.
I'm shining in my prime. Start rolling over 'cause you can't take my crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. My crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. Can't take my crown. Can't take my crown.
Yeah, Nikkei just went over.
Can't take my crown. Rhyme my circuits, but you don't get that courage. 'Cause
Dollar.
you can handle my game.
But so did the dollar. Let's see what is stronger.
'Cause you can fall into my pain. No time to stay around. Keep walking till you get out of my face. Regrets, restricted access. I'm just a flight to get up in your reload, discharging. I can't waste my time with someone slowing me down, 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 down. So high, I'm floating. I'm shining in my prime. Start rolling over 'cause you can't take my crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. My crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. Can't take my crown.
Yeah, it looks like the dollar has more power today. Nikkei went down and pound yen didn't move at all.
Can't take my crown. I won't waste my love
Yeah, that's not gonna work.
Gold.
Can't take my crown.
Gold.
Tough one, still. Yeah, I think the Nikkei is not gonna hold.
Dollar.
Pitching around below, but if the dollar goes down, this is gonna change. So buying ASEAN is actually not a bad idea. I'm gonna make this a break even too. That's gonna fuck up my win rate. The dollar just went over, but pound yen doesn't move. Maybe I'm just gonna hedge half of it, so it can swing up a little bit.
In the time I waited for your love, in the time that wasn't easy.
But the index is looking pretty good.
Any more time I'm thinking about getting back with you. And you know I won't be waiting for this broken love.
Gold. GBPJPY.
Huh. Back at the support. He's just squeezing between the top resistance and the middle support.
Okay, I've got the live stream back on now.
Good, and the guy is moving quick. Come on, dollar, get up.
Come on, dollar, get down.
Ah, shit. Come on. Give me the low one more time and I'm gonna exit, I promise. Oh, the Hong Kong dollar is moving really fast now.
JP225.
Why did it just say GPN225? This is supposed to be called Nikkei. Oh, it was a compiling error. Come on, give me the bottom. Slippage gonna cost me as the profit. Come on, one tick. One more. Ah, wrong way.
JP225.
The guy's back up.
Gold.
Not gonna happen.
GBPJPY.
Maybe the dollar moves it. Come on. Now both Nikkei and the dollar goes up. Which one has more power? I should not be a greedy ass and just take the money because I'm already higher. Fuck it.
Order filled.
Did I get my loss back? 2.43? What was it before?
0.6.
2.404. Nice. But this is dangerous scalping. If there is just some larger tick, then you're gonna have a massive loss. Oh, I hate it. If the bot's running, I cannot refresh the chart. I have to turn them off. Refresh. Turn him back on. Oh, look at that son of a bitch.
Dollar. JP225.
Now it starts to move.
Ah, I'm done. Fuck it. Well, the original target still stands, so likely gonna go there anyway. Oh, this was a gap. That's exactly what I meant. If you have situation like that and it would gap in the other direction, that would be a massive loss. It's gap 2.8 pips down.
I see.
If there is no volume, this kind of trading is dangerous. Anyway, got my money back. My loss back. And now it's gonna make the target. Just to rub it in.
GBPAUD. GBPAUD. AUD/USD.
We are now just 10 minutes away from the top of the hour, and Japanese vehicle production year on year for March, prior reading there of spot 9%.
AUD/USD. GBPAUD.
Story in
I'm so
South
glad that I
China
exit.
Post suggesting Chinese President Xi and Trump will indeed meet at the G20 next month.
CADJPY.
Like I say, low volatility.
Reading from the story, the South China Morning Post says a potential meeting between Xi and Trump at next month's G20 summit has been flagged for the first time by a Chinese insider. We'll post the full piece up to the board, quoting comments from the PBOC governor that we mentioned earlier.
USD/JPY.
Funny thing is the dollar is going actually up. It's just faking around.
Just like a dream, yeah, you and me. Can't help but feel it's so unreal. Stay high with you. Your silhouette makes me forget all of my fears just disappeared.
Gonna replace that picture and gonna look a lot more scary.
I give you a taste. Now when you with me, you can have your cake. Just let me like you do. Oh, let me like you do.
USD/ZAR.
I ever wanted someone like you that would love me like you do. Dreams of being haunted. You're my ghost, yeah.
CADJPY.
Like it. I'm giving you the best, boy, the best you'll ever see.
After effects of the trade war, the Hong Kong dollar is dropping.
Gold.
Now give me yours and be the best that you can be. Then you can have it all. You're moving closer. I feel the heat. Hands on your chest. You're all I want. Now keep me warm. Just like a dream. I'm coming in. The fantasy, it never leaves when I'm with you. Ooh, I give you a taste. Now when you're with me, you can have your cake. Just
Thinking of re-entering, but this is kinda dangerous now.
and just let me.
But we're still in the range on from the 30-minute. It's just wobbling around.
Ever wanted someone like you that would love me like you do. Dreams
Didn't also mention some news in 5 minutes because I can't find it on the calendar.
Oh.
like it. I'm giving you the best, boy, the best you'll ever
No.
AUD/JPY.
Now give me yours and be that. And you can have it all. I'm giving you the best, boy, the best you'll ever see. And you can have it all.
They charged me swap again. Oh, come on. So it now has to make target 2 just to break even. This is so annoying.
It's alright, we're one of a kind, won't leave you behind. And all through the night, when we're running blind, I got love on my mind.
Gold.
Bring back that smile and make it worthwhile. Let's do this tonight, the feeling is right. It's a sky full of stars, can't tear us apart. And I knew from the start you were the beat of my heart. I know it's alright, we're one of a kind, won't leave you behind. And all through the night, when we're running blind, I got love on my mind. I know it's alright, we're one of a kind, won't leave you behind. And all through the night, when we're running blind, I got love on my mind. I got love on my mind. I know it's alright, we're one of a kind, won't leave you behind. And all through the night, when we're running blind, I got love on my mind.
Yeah, the Hong Kong dollar is back. But it's not enough money to pay for the swap.
If you want to, you can be anything tonight. Hey. But you gotta work for it, honey. You gotta work for it, honey. If you like to, we can go anywhere tonight. Hey. Yeah. But you gotta work for it, honey. You gotta work for it, honey. We could cruise into the night, put on some funky music. Let's stay out of the light. It's better if we lose it, if we get into gear.
The Bank of Japan to supply
USD
1.5
ZAR.
trillion yen on securities.
The horizon of love.
Gold. AUD/USD.
Japanese vehicle production down 4.1% year on year in March. Gold.
I wanna run away, wanna make mistakes now. 'Cause I don't wanna stay, wanna live my own life. Wanna feel passion for something or someone that my choice I make, it's my new rebellious way. Choice I make, it's my new rebellious way.
The truth.
Gold.
True.
there's no ceiling. When you are near me, worth the waiting. Baby, believe me, a chance of you is worth taking. There's no limit when you are near me. Sending you my love and all my good vibes, sending all I got. So tell me you feeling all my love and how it feels right. Sending you my love. So tell me you got it. Tell me you got it. Tell me you got it. We got distance, but the same moonlight. You're here with me, always on my mind. A thought of you is a good thought. We got distance, see the same sunrise. Sending you my love and all my good vibes, sending all I got. So tell me you feeling all my love and how it feels right. Sending you my love. So tell me you got it. Tell me you got it. Sending you my love and all my good vibes, sending all I got. So tell me you feeling all my love and how it feels right. Sending you my
In your heart, I'm left behind, like a shadow in the dark, ready to unwind. Someone please help me now to ease all the pain inside. 'Cause I'm going alone when the love is gone, to a place I belong, where it feels like home. And when the feeling's lost and the roads are crossed, I could only be here, where it feels like home. walls, there's a place for us where we could go, where we could be alone. Between city lights, we don't have to hide. I wanna go, do you wanna follow? There's something in the air, I can't explain it, but it's there. Ain't nobody gonna find us in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more, it shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? I can't understand why we can't hold hands, but they don't know what we have is real love. Aren't you sick and tired of having to hide? I know a place, do you wanna follow? There's something in the air, I can't explain it, but it's there. Ain't nobody gonna find us in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more, it shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see?
Further comments from the former Chinese Vice Commerce Minister says China has many countermeasures against the US, including rare earths, Boeing and US software. Just to repeat, that's the former Chinese Vice Commerce Minister. China has many countermeasures against the US, including rare earths, Boeing and US software.
Pound yen.
Nice. Pound yen.
Wow, it kept on going then.
Oh no, I just add some translation.
Again from the former
So
Chinese
instead of
central bank governor says selling
GBPJPY, it
US
says now
treasuries
pound
as
yen.
retaliation is less likely, as it would only hurt Chinese interest. That's the former Chinese central bank governor.
Ah, right, that's your voice alert, isn't it? Yeah.
pound, Kiwi, yen, AUC, euro, US. That's all of them, right? Cat. For a cat.
Pound yen.
Nice.
Pound yen. Aussie yen.
Aussie yen.
You're going to put Z's in it, maybe.
What do you mean?
How have you spelled Aussie for the voice engine? Have you spelled it as A-U-S-S-I-E?
Yeah. And then put spaces before and behind, so it uses two words.
Alright, I just wondered if you used Z's, it would pronounce it better.
Only one way to find out. Two is that? Or just one?
Yeah. Two. And I'd be tempted to put EY on the end. But anyway.
Alright. Now I just have to fake it again. Come on, get up, one tick.
Aussie yen.
Aussie yen.
No, does not sound right still.
Aussie.
Ah, what about O-Z-Z-Y-E?
Yeah,
like Ozzy Osbourne.
What
Aussie
error?
yen.
Oops, typo.
Aussie yen.
Aussie yen. Maybe OU.
O-Z-Z-Y.
Yeah, that's what I did, but now it says Aussie.
Isn't that good? Isn't that the right kind of sound?
Doing really important stuff here. Stop dropping.
Aussie yen.
Aussie yen. Okay, that was worse.
Was it just us for fun? I'm trying to make it. Was this real or not? My head just can't take it. I've got a feeling we belong together. Doesn't matter, things can just get better. Can you join me so the night gets crazy? We'll be dancing in the moonlight, baby. 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 Was it just us for fun? I'm trying to make it. Was this real or not? My head just can't take it. I've got a feeling we belong together. Doesn't matter, things can just get better. Can you join me so the night gets crazy? We'll be dancing in the moonlight, baby. 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 We'll be dancing in the moonlight, baby.
For cat, I just say cat, just as a word and not spell the letters.
What are you on about?
Say for the Canadian dollar, I just used cat.
Yeah, it's either that or Canadian dollar, the 2 words. Or US dollar, Canadian.
Doesn't say it.
It's just dollar CAD, isn't it?
If alert distance is not 0. Maybe it didn't hit it.
Cat yen.
Cat yen. Okay, that works. Euro Aussie, that's gonna sound interesting.
Sorry, I missed what you said. I might be out of range for a few minutes. I'll be able to hear you on the speakers though.
Yeah, I'm just playing with the signal. With the wording.
Euro Aussie.
Euro Aussie. Ah, whatever.
You know I can't deny
Oh, look at pound yen. It went right to the target. Ah, whatever. Yeah, gonna call it a day now anyway. Having it a little bit shorter as usual.